Hey guys, any of you ever use this rust converter? I bought some from Canadian Tire and I just installed a lift kit into the Dodge here, and you know, there's rust around. I get it undercoated. I mean, you can see it here. It actually works, but a lot of spots it doesn't look like it's undercoated. It's environmentally friendly, which is another word for it sucks. So it doesn't surprise me. But anyway, I want to try out this rust converter. So what it's supposed to do is basically stop or slow down the rusting on your vehicle, seal it, and then that allows you to paint it after. So I'm going to give it a shot. Hopefully it doesn't eat rust. Otherwise I could wake up tomorrow morning without a truck. But I'll give it a spray around here before I go and put my tire on, and we'll give it a little while and we'll see how it looks. You're not supposed to get this stuff on painted surfaces, which I'm assuming is because it'll eat the paint. Now I know this stuff comes in a large can where you can actually brush it on. I'm not sure if it's the same company, Rust Check, but it's a rust converter and you basically brush it on. That stuff seems to work really well, probably because it's super concentrated. The stuff in the can, I'm sure, isn't as strong, but we'll see. Alright, this rust converter's been on for like half an hour or so. It's just slightly tacky still, but from the looks of things, kind of turns your rust a dark color. Dark rusty. Sometimes a little bit turns black. But again, it's just there to inhibit any further rust, seal it, act as a primer, and then you can paint it black if you wanted. I don't think I'm going to. I'm not really that concerned about this truck, but anyway, it's a little rust converter demonstration. I guess it works pretty good, or at least it does what it says it's supposed to do. Thanks for watching this quick video on rust conversions. We'll see you guys in the next one.